Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a computer. Let's go to our computer and I'll show you some troubleshooting tips. Let's click on our Start button. Go to Internet Explorer. First thing I want to make sure that you have is a fully functional virus protection program. So go to avast.com. And Avast has a free professional program that you can download that protects you from viruses. What you're going to want is you're going to want their home edition. So go to free software, click on download. The home edition is absolutely free for use at home. Just scroll down until you find download Avast Home Edition and click on English or whatever language you would like to download it in and click download. You can either then run it or save it, but when you run it, it's basically going to install and reboot your computer, and you'll have a fully functional, great quality antivirus program. Now, second is we want to protect you from spyware. So let's open up our Internet Explorer browser again, and we want to do a search on google.com for a program called Spybot. It's S-P-Y-B-O-T. Now, scroll down a little bit until you find safernetworking.org, which is the home of Spybot. Click on that link, and I'm going to go into the English site. Go to the download button, and we can scroll down here and click on download to download Spybot Search and Destroy. This is a program that actually protects your computer from getting not viruses, but spyware and adware installed, which can really slow down and hurt your computer. Just click on Download Now, and it will begin downloading our Spybot program. Now, the next tip for you is to check your device manager to see if there's hardware that's malfunctioning. Just click on your Start button, right-click on Computer, and go to Manage. Click Continue if that appears. Now what we're interested in here is the Device Manager. Click on Device Manager. That pulls up a list of all the hardware in your PC. If there's any hardware that has a yellow icon next to it or a red icon, that hardware is malfunctioning and needs to be replaced. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to repair a computer.